Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make flan easy. First, let's create that beautiful caramel base. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat it over medium, stirring occasionally until it transforms into a gorgeous, deep amber. This usually takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Immediately and carefully pour this hot caramel into your chosen baking dish, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. This sets the stage for a perfect flan. Next, we'll prepare the creamy custard that makes flan so delightful. In a large bowl, whisk together 5 large eggs until well combined. Then, incorporate 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic flavor. For an extra smooth texture, strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a separate bowl. This removes any small lumps. Now it's time to bake our delicious flan. Carefully pour the strained custard mixture over the cooled caramel in your prepared baking dish. Place this baking dish into a larger roasting pan. Then, fill the larger pan with hot water, reaching about halfway up the sides of the flan dish. This water bath ensures even cooking and a silky texture. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until set. Patience is key for the perfect flan. Once baked, let your flan cool completely at room temperature. This prevents cracking. Then, cover it and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, but ideally overnight. Chilling allows the flan to firm up and the flavors to meld beautifully. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge, then invert the dish onto a serving plate. The luscious caramel will cascade down, creating a stunning presentation. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.